But the way that you balance, the way one balances that triangle is to decide what you want to be as an institution, what you want to be. And as I explained earlier on, we want to be a center of excellence, not necessarily expensive, but we will mitigate, we will increase access, and we will focus on the costs, but with a view of ensuring that we are delivering top quality service in the region. And that is why we are a center of excellence in the region. So inevitably, we take that into account when we are doing our pricing. That is when what goes into the arguments of our costs compared to. You cannot just blanketly compare our costs with any other. Maybe that those other institutions are focusing on improving access, basically improving access, especially like if you think about the public institutions. The main focus of a public institution is to allow any and everyone to access the hospital. And sometimes there's a compromise you may make a little on quality, and there is a compromise maybe also what you make on cost. You know what the cost will increase the access. But we are focused specifically on managing our costs and availing access with a view to delivering quality.
You must buy a basket of goods in your household. I am sure how much you should spend on tomatoes 1 to 2 years ago is not likely the same price you are getting them as artists. I mean, that is the reality. But what we are saying is that even with that reality, the nominal price increase that has been done, we make a conscious decision that look, our partners in insurance are very simultaneous as a way of showing goodwill to leadership. Because it's an ongoing negotiation. We have our own asks from our insurance partners, they also have their own asks. We will reach a middle ground where they are converging. But we are saying let's suspend those adjustments, either nominal or based on the reality of the business.